Good morning, dear students. So in the last session, we have studied the block diagram of 8051. So in today's session, we'll study the numbering and coding systems. So in that, we'll study first decimal and binary number systems. So to convert the decimal to binary, so decimal values are having the base value as a 10 and the binary will have the base value as 2 because computer will read the 2-bit binary, that is 0 or 1. So to convert the decimal to binary, it is the to convert the decimal to binary is to be divide the decimal numbers by 2 repeatedly. So we are going to divide the decimal numbers by 2 repeatedly. So this process will continuous until we get the quotient as a 0. So whatever the remainder will get, we'll write it that remainder in reverse order. So we'll see the example. First example, that is converting the decimal to binary. For example, if we take as a decimal value as 27. Okay, so we'll divide it by 2. So 27 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, then remainder will be 1. So this is quotient, this is remainder. Then next 2 6s are 12, right? So remainder will be 1. Next 2 3s are 6, remainder will be 0. Then 2 1s are 2, remainder will be 1. Then 2 zeros are will be 0. Then the remainder will be 1. 1 2s are 2. That will be 0. The remainder will be 1. So we got the remainder values and this is a quotient. So as I said, we are going to write the remainder value in reverse order. Correct? So what is your 27? The binary of equivalent of 27 is, what is that? It is 27 of base 10 is equals to reverse order 1 1 0 1 1. So 1 1 0 1 1. So base as 2. So we have converted decimal 27 base 10 into binary. So answer we got it as 1 1 0 1 1. So for next example, to convert the decimal to binary only, we'll take 125. So this is your first example and this is second example. That is 125. So 125 2 6 are 12. Then 2 2s are 4. Then the remainder will be 1. Then 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. Remainder will be 0. Then 2 1s are 2. Then 2 5s are 10. Then remainder will be 1. Then 2 7s are 14. Remainder will be 1. 2 3s are. Remainder will be 1. Then 2 1s are 2. 0, so remainder will be 1. So now we have to write the binary in reverse order. For 125 base 10, binary we'll see in reverse order, that is 1 1 1 1 1 0 1. So we have to write it in reverse order. 1 1 1 1 1 0 1. So this is binary of 125. So to convert the decimal to binary, what we are doing? We are dividing the decimal numbers by 2 repeatedly until we get the quotient become 0, and we are concentrating only on remainder values. Those remainder values are a binary number. So how we will write the binary numbers? In reverse order. So we'll write the binary number in reverse order. Okay. So 3 points we have to remember while converting the decimal to binary. That is, we are dividing the decimal numbers by 2 repeatedly. And this process will continuous until the quotient value become 0. Until the quotient value becomes 0, and we are concentrating only on the remainder values. And how we will write the remainder values? In reverse order. So we'll write the remainder values in reverse order. So these 3 points has to be remembered while converting the decimal to binary. So next we'll convert the binary to decimal, that is vice versa, you can say. So next we'll convert the binary to decimal. So as we know, binary is having a base value as 2 and decimal is having a base value as 10. But in binary we have assigned some weightage values for each digit positions. For example, we'll solve one binary, that is, we'll take 1 0 1 1. Okay, so this is a binary which is having the base value as 2. So we'll see what is the decimal value. What we'll get. So we'll write it this like this: 1 0 1 1. Make a box. Okay, so as I said, it is having the weightage. So each digit of position is have the weightage for the binary numbers. Okay, so that will write those values, I can say those weightage will write it from right to left. So this is 0, this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So those weightage value we have given. So as I said, it has a base is 2. So along with the base value, it is having the weightage values. So 2, 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. Okay. So next. So multiply these number with these values. So 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0. Okay. So what is 1 into 2 raised to 3? It is 8. 1 into 8 you can write. So 0 into 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0 is 1 into 1. So 1 into 8 is 8 plus 0 into 4 will become 0. If you multiplied any number with a 0, it will be a 0. So 1 into 2 is 2 plus 1 into 1 is 1. So the answer will be 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. So for the binary of 1, 0, 1, 1 base 2 is equals to 11 to the base 10. So next we'll solve. Now for the next binary, it is 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So what we'll make first? We'll make one box first. One, 0, 1, 1, 1. Then we'll write the weightage values, that is right to left we have to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So next is 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4. So next we have to multiply these values with this. So that is 1 into 2 raised to 4, correct, plus 0 into 2 raised to 3 plus 1 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0. So 1 into 2 raised to 4, that is 1 into 16. 0 into 8, 1 into 4, 1 into 2 raised to 1, that is 2, and 1 into 2 raised to 0 will 1 into 1. So 1 into 16, 16, 0 into 8 will be 0, 1 into 4 will be 4, 1 into 2 will be 2, then 1 into 1 will be 1. So next, what we'll get? 16 plus 4 is 20, 22, 23. So for the binary of 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, base 2, that is the answer is 23 base 10. So this is how we have converted the binary to decimal. So while converting the binary to decimal, what we are doing, we have to keep in a mind that it is having the weightage. So each digit of the position is having the weightage to convert the binary into decimal. So each digit of position in the number of base, the base value we are having as 2, then the weightage, that value is taken in the binary. So next, what we have done, we have converted binary to decimal values. So we have to keep, for the binary the base is 2 and for the decimal base is 10. So I'll give two problems as a homework. Please solve it and send it to me. So in the next session, we'll solve the next part. Thank you.